a small ship owner and Adonis 417 having a huge ship. Let's say the most expensive ship is a cruise ship, then they use Adonis. Of course, some cruise companies. But if we go towards LNG, then how about the 270,000 cubic meters LNGs? Do they use Adonis? Of course not. They use much more expensive software that is state of the art regarding technical compliance, the whole lot, including technical and crane, which I think is a mistake, because one thing is technical, another thing is crane. If we need to have talent retention, the barriers, make legs, crocodiles and snakes and bridges and so on, then this is completely different. And it is a huge competitive advantage. Now, the small ship owners can really take advantage of this. Why? Because Adonis, we can have the compliance of the time on board working. We can have these cards whereby we verify. If we have two groups, for example, offshore fleets, for example, general cargo ships, and if we have, say, a fleet of about 250 ships, we can really have digital compliance of the working schedules. This is very important nowadays because MLC is really requirement to have this. So please really think about this Adonis system for small ships. We know that big ship owners will have to make big decisions and buy this software worth $160,000 and then pay per month $6,000, whilst perhaps we only have to pay $100 for just one access to the whole 200 ships. Be intelligent, be small regarding cost. Thank you, bye.